Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So today, through Windows Update, I received a Windows Security App update. So if we head to Update History, and we click on Definition Updates, I received an update for the Windows Security Platform, KB5007651, version 10.0.29554.1001. Now, this update Microsoft does roll out on a regular basis. We can see if we scroll down, I received the same update, just a different version, on the 13th of February. So that's give or take a month ago. So basically from month to month, Microsoft rolls the update out. And this security update, Microsoft says, provides the latest changes for the Windows Security app. And it's also said that the update is composed of the Windows Security app and its underlying service. Now, my reason for mentioning the update is because with recent updates to Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, Microsoft is rolling out new Smart App Control, where you can turn Smart App Control on or off without needing a clean install. And I have noticed today that with this update, it has enabled that functionality on my system. And I couldn't do it yesterday, but today, if I head into my Windows Security app and Browser Control, and click on Smart App Control Settings, I can now turn on Smart App. So that option was previously grayed out, and as you can see, I can now toggle on Smart App Control after installing KB5007651 version 10.29554.1001. So just putting it out there in case you're unaware or would be interested. And Smart App Control, in case you're unaware, gives you enhanced protection from untrusted apps. And when this is toggled on, it says if Smart App Control spots a malicious or untrusted app, it will block it to help protect your device. And I think this is great, just giving us options where, as mentioned previously, this required a clean install to be able to turn on. And now, even if you're like me and did an update to Windows 11 on this device, you now have that functionality available. So go check it out. See if that update has arrived for you. So that's another new feature now that I finally have received as part of ongoing recent Windows 11 updates. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.